Welcome. In this video we're going to make this elbow, and I would like to you compare this draw we made in Solidworks, and now we are going to make in CATIA, and this because you can see what software is better for you. And let's start. We give click in start, mechanical design, part design, and select this XY, and we create a new sketch, and we draw the profile. We like this, escape, line, and we give measures with this command, constraint. We give a double click, and the measure is 370. Okay. For zoom out, we click the scroll, and we press a scroll, and after that we press the right click, and we can see the zoom like this, and select this option, 377. Again, press the center button, the scroll, scroll, and the right button. We made a zoom out, and after that we choose corner, select this, select this, like this and this. The measure is 170. Sorry. And that's it. We exit to this from this sketch, and seems like SolidWorks. We are going to make a plane, our reference plane, to move in orientation with this line. Press a scroll button, and the press right button, and we move like this path, this way, and select this plane, and select in this could be our reference. Select this, and this point. Okay. To move like this, just press the scroll, and you can do this. Select this and sketch. We draw the circles, the first in this position, again in this position. We give measure, and the last is 115, and the first, select this. Sorry, escape. We exit from this plane and select rip and this, set OK, and select sketch, select this face. We draw a rectangle, we give measure, double click, and 240 again, 240, and we exit from this sketch. Select path and this, and in this, with this 17, we reverse direction, and sorry, we convert this entity as SolidWorks. In this, double click in this sketch, select this circle, and we project here, and it seems like entities, convert entities. Just in this software we convert project, sorry, like inventor. So we exit and select path, select this 17, reverse direction, and OK. Again, sorry, we give click here, move in this position, select sketch, select this face, and we draw again another rectangle. We give measures, we give 240, sorry, 240. Select this, double click, 240, and again select this circle. We project, select this, and change the color. Now is yellow, and we exit from this sketch. We select path 70, select this, reverse direction, OK. Now we can draw the holes. Select this face, and type is 4 holes. The big circle is 24 diameter 24 with deep 7.5. So in type we select and we it must have this way, and diameter is 24 and deep 7.5, and here is an 11 and up to last, and we position the point. Select this and position is 23 and 23 above the close to the board, and select this and this 23, and this and this like this, 23, and that's it. We exit to this sketch, okay, and we select this and instance 2 reference element this. Okay, select this, and object hole, and the distance is 194, reverse 100 and second direction, select this 2 and also the same 100 2 spacing 194, and we accept, and this is we select this face, and we we exit first hole, select this face. It seems like manager drill, and the same options, just in this tape, okay, We give push the measures. Remember 23. Okay, and this here 23, and we exit and this. Okay, I select this option, rectangle pattern. We select the same parameters, second direction. We give in this option, reverse, and okay, and we finish. As you can see, this is another option that you can use, and with you can draw or design your pieces. In this occasion, we draw this elbow with these flanges. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give your like, and see you. Thank you.